Hello everyone, welcome to a new view for Bitcoin price prediction based on Elliott Wave analysis. Let's see what happened in Bitcoin in the last hours here, where we saw a pump. Well, we're not surprised here with our A, B, and a C with our three waves here again. The wave C might be unfolding, yes, it can be, or a W, X, and a Y. Yeah, so we're gonna watch what's gonna be there for a wave Y in case that we get a confirmation for higher here, the 60K 819. That means we're gonna push towards the 62K $360 for 1.618 taken from the A to the B to the C here, and then pushing down again. By all means, we still corrective, guys. I know again the bullish sentiment is there and everything is looking bullish for you right now, but basically you cannot end up a move towards the downside again with three wave structure. It is a 1 2 3 4 and a 5 here, and A, B, and a C. It's a very clear regular flat, guys. Okay, it's a very clear regular flat, meaning and taking the low. That's why you're not allowed to take the low with three waves, right? So we need five waves to finish a structure, and then we push bullish, right? So since we are in three waves, taking the low with it, that means definitely we are an ABC expanding flat or a WX and a Y. The wave Y can still be a zigzag. It can be a smaller zigzag by taking the high here and pushing down again. Nobody knows. So you gotta be careful. We still bearish at the end. Okay, we still bearish at the end. So even if we push here for a little bit higher, that's totally fine and expected as well. Since 2 days, I think we already mentioned an ABC or a WX and a Y, and that because of this shoppiness here. And as I mentioned, like every time we come to a bottom, remember that you will get a lot of psychology reversals, up and downs. But the most essential thing here is always to finish a structure properly. We need the 1 2 3 4 and a 5. So this can be playing even as a wave 4 within this wave 2, guys, because the timing is starting to be very, very close to it. And I think that I'm gonna revise this like kind of like a 1 2 3 4 and a 5 here. Okay, and I'm gonna take this as an A, even B here. Sorry, A, B, and a wave C as an expanding flat. Because things are looking very, very long in time here and very, very choppy and corrective, as you can see. So I'm starting to see that this is only one impulse there, finished over here, and we are in an A, B, and a wave C pushing toward the upside, guys. Okay, so that is very likely to happen, or even it can be like kind of like a running flat W, a zigzag for an X, and even a wave Y over there. What we're talking about. So this is what I'm going to decide with it very soon, of course. In any case, I mean the target and everything is there, but I need to think about it much more. I'm gonna just dive in it a little bit much more on the micro level, 15-minute chart, and seek for the best scenario for this choppy wave. It's a very complex one, guys. Even this one looks a little bit impulsive, but we took the low, which is horrible, right? So it's a very, very complex, a lot of confusion and hesitation here in the market. But at the end, we're coming back. Yeah. Unless, of course, we take this invalidation. Yeah. So what I'm gonna mark here, what is very interesting is that it is also very, very close as well to the 1.618. So invalidation of bearish here. Yeah. So that means if we take this number, it is very likely that we might invalidate everything here, and it can be something different here. Can be a long, I don't know, a long A, and then wave B and a wave C. That means, of course, it's a larger ABC, and this is my target here as well. By the way, it is given, yeah. So it is given wave A, wave B, and a wave C. 1 2 3 4 and a 5. Probably can be. So this is what I need to dive a little bit much more tonight. And tomorrow in the daily analysis, I will come up with even what's going on in here. This is something there. Yeah, it is something, but definitely it is not a finished structure. It's not a finished structure. This is what I can confirm here. You cannot take the low again with three waves, guys. Yeah, so something is going on there. And I believe that this can be, of course, and ABC pushing, of course, for a wave 5 later on. So that was it for Bitcoin for the daily close. Let's watch the key levels and this target, and we're gonna take it from there tomorrow. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye bye. Before you leave, make sure to join our private Discord community. There you will get daily updates faster than YouTube, plus exclusive bonus trading signals for the gold, silver, Bitcoin, and stocks. You can also request one special technical analysis every day and get access even to our only members video on YouTube and also on Discord, and stay ahead, of course, with economic and political news that actually moves the market. And of course, we do regular Q&A sessions, so you can get your questions answered directly in the Discord. And of course, if you're serious about leveling your trading, the Discord link is below in the description and in the comments. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.